Hello and welcome to Tech Talks featuring the PLC-INTERFACE Relay. My name is Andrew Pogacik, Product Marketing Manager.
And I'm Clinton Hummel, Associate Product Marketing Manager.
And in this episode, we want to talk about some of the technical features of the PLC-INTERFACE product line. And what I see in front of me here is two different types of products. Clinton, it looks like we're talking about how do we connect a wire to it?
That's right, absolutely. So with PLC-INTERFACE, there are two connection technologies, our tried and true screw terminals, or my personal favorite, the push-in terminal.
Oh, okay. So I think we're doing a little competition, I see.
I'm a little bit of a competitive guy, and I know you are, so...
I've got my Torque Spec screwdriver here, and I brought you one as well.
Well, that was very kind of you, but where we're going, we don't need that.
Okay, sure. Well, someone start us off here, or do you want to do it, or should I?
Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. What are you doing over there?
Oh, I think I did it.
Are you sure it's torqued to the proper spec? Do you even know the proper spec?
I'm not sure I do.
Well, it's Gutentight, obviously.
Of course it is. Of course it is. Well, certainly mine was to a torque spec. Yours?
It's perfectly torqued every time with 5 times the IEC required retention force.
So there we see, I guess, the PT is significantly faster than the screw, and a good reason because a lot of people are utilizing PT technology these days.
Absolutely. You'll find it on a whole host of Phoenix Contact products, but my favorite one is absolutely the PLC Relay.
Absolutely. So we know how to connect a wire to it. One of the other features of the PLC-INTERFACE series is that it has replaceable relays, right?
Absolutely. So replacing a relay is a very simple process. To do so, we just use the ejection lever, pop that relay out of there. You get the idea. We're going to take that out, and if we need to replace it, we can choose again the like relay, or you can very quickly upgrade that to a solid state relay if the application requires it.
Okay, so Phoenix Contact has standardized on white relays being electromechanical and black relays are the solid state.
Yes, so it's really quick visual identification, something that's unique to us. Many of our competitors stick with all white or all black.
Wow, that's fantastic. Easy to see. Another one of those nice features that Phoenix Contact has, making things wiring up a little bit easier, replacing relays are easier. So speaking of making things easier, how do we eliminate some wiring challenges, wiring to the wrong terminals?
Yeah, so well, before we even get to that, let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Do you want the basic answer to that or the advanced answer to that?
Both?
All right, well, let's stick with the basic in this episode, and we can revisit that advanced topic. But one of the other great features that's baked into the Phoenix Contact Relay is the easy marking and labeling. We use the same terminal block markers that you already have, know, and use, and it snaps right into that handle, clearly identifying each relay. In addition, you'll see each terminal is also laser etched, so it's clearly marked and identified. As you're wiring this up, it's very easy to see where to land the wire and what wire needs to land where.
It's fantastic. That marking and identification makes it super simple. Make sure you are doing it just right. So that's a lot for today's episode. Let's take a look at our next episode on bridging systems. So stay tuned.